Hello everyone, my name is Alex Saliba. I'm from Malta in Belgium, and I recently graduated from KU Leuven's Master of Business Administration with specialization in Strategic Marketing Management. I first followed the Bachelor's of Business Administration at KU Leuven's Brussels campus, and after becoming interested in marketing, I decided to follow the marketing track. In the end, following the marketing track was really an excellent decision for me because it really allowed me to deepen my knowledge in many aspects of marketing. To give you some examples, we had courses in strategic brand management, customer experience, digital marketing, marketing and network economy, which discusses how companies create other partnerships with other companies and stakeholders, and consumer psychology. So you can really see how the program gives you a broad overview of many aspects of marketing, which are both interesting and important for a future career. What I also really liked about KU Leuven's marketing track is that the professors giving these courses are really experts in their fields. That means that if you ever have questions or you're looking to go deeper in a certain topic, you really can. The professors are really open and you can really benefit a lot from these interactions with them. Today, I run my own company where we promote football events in Belgium for both football players and football coaches. And I recently joined the leading digital advertising agency in Belgium called Semetis as a junior digital marketer. The program definitely helped me throughout the interview process by giving me confidence to answer the interviewers' questions and simply gave me a very strong foundation in many aspects of marketing. Some tips and tricks about the program: I would definitely recommend attending class as much as possible. Many cases are discussed in class which can really help you take your knowledge to the next level. I would also recommend asking your professors any questions that you have and interacting with them as much as possible, as again, because they're experts in their fields, this can really help take your knowledge to the next level and you can learn even more. Finally, don't forget to study for your exams because that's a very important part at university, and that too can really help take your knowledge to the next level, which can also benefit you after you graduate. That's all from me, and I wish you all the best for the coming academic year.